How to record yourself on Zoom without a meeting. Make sure you are logged in. Here you can see new meeting, click it here. Here you can see video and audio, click on start. Here you can see Abdul Bais Zoom meeting. Here you can see more, click it here. Here you can see record. I want to record my video. You can record video for your presentation, or if you want to make a YouTube video, click it here.
Recording in progress.
As you can see, recording in progress. You can record your video of yourself. You can pause the recording if you do some mistake. Here you can see pause recording, click it here.
Recording stopped.
Here you can see you can again resume the recording.
Recording in progress.
After recording yourself, you can stop recording.
Recording stopped.
As you can see, the recorded file will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. If you want to see the location of your recorded file, you can simply go here, click on more. Here you can see settings, click on recordings. Here you can see the location. You can simply open the location and change the location from here. Now end the meeting. Click on end meeting for all. As you can see, converting meeting recording. As you can see, this is the recorded file. You can simply check it here. As you can see, recording contains video file, audio file, and the script of a video as well. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.